everyone. Today I am going to show you that how you will use your Google Slides on phone and make a presentation. So first you need to install an app called Google Slides. So I have already installed this app. So you will install this app from Play Store, Google Play Store. So now I am going to open this app. Okay. So here the files in the Google Drive of slides will show here. So I don't have any slides file, Google Slides file. That's why here is no recent files. So find everything in Google Drive that you have recently opened or edited. Okay. So now if you want to create a new Google Slides file, then click this plus option. So now I will say you to rotate your phone. So I'm rotating. Okay, so like this you need to use, but I'm showing you like this horizontal. So first, if you want to use a theme, you can use. So how you will use a theme, just click here and then here is change theme. You just click here, choose the theme you want, but I'm making a theme myself. Okay, so I'm just clicking here and I'm deleting it, this one also. Now we will use a shape in this place so that we can change the background color. So how we will use a shape, just click here in this plus and then shape. So this one, so if we move it to the edge, look. Okay, so now we can change the color. So I'm changing its color to blue. Now, so this is our background. So now if we want to use a text box, just in this plus and then here is text. I will just click here. Now I will type here such as easy ICT. Now I am selecting this text. So after you select, you just click here to change the format. So here is size. I want to increase the size and its font is Arial. So Comic Sans MS I am using. Bold. And then text color is black. Blue. Invisible. Green. Okay, so now I'm increasing the text size. Okay, so if we go into the paragraph, we can just align this, left align, center align, and this one is justify. I'm using center align. Okay, so I'm just putting it towards the top. So how I will move it, I just click in these blue things so you can move. So I'm moving it upwards. Okay, so now you can rotate this by clicking in this stick and moving it. So if you move it 180 degree, then the easy ICT will be bottom upwards. Okay, this is easy ICT. Okay, so I need the font bigger. 42 is best for title. Okay, so now if we want to add a subtitle, then here text and I'm just writing project by easy ICT. Okay, so if we select this text and I'm just changing the formatting towards center, text size to 32. 32 is best for subtitle. 21 I'm using here. Okay, so I wrote project. Okay, so project by Easy ICT. If we now color this box, fill this box with color, then here is at the bottom right, fill color. I will just click here and yellow, and this green Easy ICT, fill color with red. Okay. Okay, so no more today. See you in another video. Bye and thanks for watching.